Welcome to Learn Scottish Words, Part 14. The mother tongue of the North-East of Scotland, by G. Morrison. Now, our first word is soter. And as you can see in this picture, there's enough a mess in this room. And that's what we would call enough a soter. And here's a picture here of somebody's back garden. And as you can see, there's a smuggle soter that you can't even see the gears. So it's another word is a red up. It's a smuggle a red up, but it's zeer second a red out. So it's a word soter. Our next word is pint. And this is a picture here of a pair of shoelaces. And that's what we would call a set of pints. And this is a picture here of somebody with their pints is loose. So they're untied. So that's their pints is loose on that shoe, and they need to be tied up. Now our next word is yark. And as you can see in this picture, there's two doggies giving a bit of tow a yark. So it means to tug at something. So that's the word yark. And our next word is, as you can see, this is a picture of a starling. And this is what we would call a Spargie. So that's the word Spargie. And I likes to put out heaps of loaf and pieces to the birdies at this time of year. The poor Spargies would be guy starving in the winter time. So it's good to give them a feed. And you can put a mate out to the Spargies on a muckle plate like this called an Ashit. And an Ashit is of a good for doing putting your roast on it, your Sunday roast, or putting a pickle chips on it and serving that up. But the word Ashit means a muckle plate or a big plate. Now our next word is Skunner. And as you can see by this picture, there's a picture of a wifey, and she's looking off a fed up looking, or bored looking. Well, that's or a wee bit depressed, and that's our word that we call Skunnert. So it's a word Skunnert. Our next word is Ruser. And here's a picture of a Ruser. And as you can see, the English would call this a watering can. For watering your floors with. So it's a Ruser to water your floors. Now this is a picture of a lad roaring out to him through a megaphone thing or a funnel of some kind. And with all that roaring, he would make his voice hoarse. So it's a word hoarse. You would have a sore throat, and your voice wouldn't sound so clear, because it would be hoarse. Now our next word is Rowi. Now, this is a favorite of mine because they're of a good date. And the Rowi or buttery is what you would hear in the morning when you get up and you wear movie tea. You'd boil a kettle and have movie tea and put a shop of butter on your Rowi and get a heaty up. And they're of a good date. And as Rowi's, I had for my breakfast this morning is made by John Smith and Sons, New Pittsligger in Aberdeenshire. And I can recommend them because they're off a good. And it's an off a good bakery. Now we're going to learn some Doric Scots words for colours. And this picture here is a white coloured house. So we would call it colour Fite. And of course we call it a house, so this would be the Fite house. And our next colour is red. And as you can see, there's an all-current phone box sitting here in Newcoa Street, and it's a red phone box. And here we've got a Broon bear, and it's our colour Broon. And this is a colour black, and sometimes we say jet black, but that's a colour black. And last of all is a colour Yala, and as you can see in this picture, there's a puckle Yala floors. So that Yala floors is the colour Yala. Now, I hope you found it entertaining, and mind look out for a next part who learn Doric Scots, the tongue of the northeast of Scotland, still spoken here to this day. I'll catch you after now.